Okay, question 5. In this question, we will be looking at finding the distance between between the 2 points. Okay, so as I was doing with the midpoint calculations, I'm going to identify this as point 1 and this one as point 2. So this is the x value of point 1. This is the y value of point 1. This is the x value of point 2 and the y value of point 2. Now, the distance formula is a little bit different to the midpoint formula. So the distance between 2 points is the square root of the difference between the x values, so x2 minus x1 all squared, plus the difference of the y values, y2 minus y1 all squared. You may recognize that formula as a little bit or very similar to Pythagoras's formula. Okay, all right, so let's input the values into this formula. So x2 is 1 minus x1, which is 4, all squared, plus y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 5, all squared. Okay, so we are left with 1 minus 4 is minus 3, all squared, plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4, all squared. Okay, minus 3 squared is minus 3 times minus 3, which is positive 9. Minus 4 all squared is minus 4 times minus 4, which is positive 16. So the distance is 9 plus 16 all squared, which is 25, square root, which is 5. So the distance between 0.45 and 1,1 is 5. Okay, part B. Let's find the distance between those 2 points. I'm going to call this one 0.1, call this one 0.2. So this is the x value of 0.1, the y value of 0.1. The x value of 0.2, the y value of 0.2. Using the distance formula again, it's the square root of the difference in the x's, all squared, plus the difference in the y's, all squared. Okay, let's substitute these figures into our formula. x2 is 15, x1 is 7, y2 is 8, minus y1, which is 14. Okay, 15 minus 7 is 8, plus 8 minus 14 is minus 6, all squared. 8 squared is 64, plus minus 6 squared is minus 6 times minus 6, which is 36. Okay, 64 plus 36, conveniently, is 100. So the distance is the square root of 100, which is 10. So the distance between those 2 points is 10 units.